Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. I am starting to put those kids baskets together, y'all. So this is going to be fun. The first kids basket I decided to do, I don't think I've done any more kids, but I may have. I got a bunch of stuff back there. I'll look. Anyway, this is the Peppa Pig kid basket, and this is just a Peppa Pig feature. Alright, it's not a complete Peppa Pig basket. So it is termed as a Mod Podge basket featuring Peppa Pig. So that's the first one I've done. I'm going to switch you all around so you can get a look at it. And we'll talk about it. Okay, so first of all, we have our big Peppa Pig carrying case in there that carries 20 figurines, as well as the figurines in theirs. Alright, we're going to turn this around. Then on the other side of our basket here, we have our Peppa Pig headsets. Alright, and then we have our Peppa Pig foam clocks over here in this corner. Alright, and they come with the marker as well. So that's the Peppa Pig foam squares, or little, you wet them and they puff up, something like that. I also put in the potato head, and this is the Mrs. Potato Head here. And then we have our Mr. Potato Head. All right, and this is create your own potato head here. All right, and then in the front, aside from our carrying case, I included this little cup that has animals all over it. Since Peppa Pig is a pig, that cup goes very well with it. Alright, and then we have our Candy Sweet doll in here. She is a Kinder Kid. We have our crowns. We have some Barbie lemonade. And we have our little disc blaster right here. And so this is going to be my Mod Podge basket featuring Peppa Pig. And I think that this basket is nice. Any kid will love this basket. And if the kids don't love it at Christmas time, they will love it at Easter, I promise. No, I don't promise, but we're gonna try to get it out of here for Christmas. So please tell me what you think about this basket. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed. But most importantly, y'all, be a blessing.